are checking out our room on the Scarlet Lady. This is what the hallways look like. They all have these LED strips above head, which looks cool. Gonna scan with our wristband. Turns green, and then it unlocks. I have the balcony open right now. The beds are also separable, so that's nice. I guess they can just kind of slide over if you wanted to separate them, which I might just do. The bathroom. Your normal bathroom sizes. Ooh, but the shower, overhead shower, as well as handheld shower. Hello. On the screen, you're able to control different things, such as the temperature of the room. They even have mood lights, so let's do a photo shoot theme. Oh, it just turned the lights kind of low. Out of curiosity, what's the get it on gonna do? Oh my gosh, these are closing. That turned off, and then these these red LED lights just came on. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Hangover, pumped up, relaxing. Let's do hangover. So I changed it to blue. I guess blue is supposed to relax you, and I think it will also keep these closed because it didn't open up. Play. Here's the safety video. They got my attention, I'm not even gonna lie.
If someone falls into the sea, shout person overboard and tell a crew member immediately. Three long blasts on the horn, meant for the crew. So don't be alarmed.
Let's check out the balcony. We haven't left Miami yet, so we still have the Miami views. What I love most about this balcony though is every balcony gets a hammock, which means of course your girl is gonna be laying down, relaxing the whole cruise basically. Let's take out. So we all get a hammock. How cute. And I'm gonna love this just to be able to relax and watch the beautiful ocean views. Breakfast, casserole salad, potatoes, eggs, French toast, fruits. Enjoy.